Hello everyone and welcome back to another long form video I'm gonna make. So in this video I'm gonna be talking about how I learned Blender within 3 days. Yes, 3 days. So the main thing I wanted to do in Blender was hard surface modeling, sculpting, but that'll be later. I just wanted to learn hard surface modeling and just the usual stuff, have fun rendering and lighting, compositing, and all that good stuff. But unfortunately, I can't use cycles because it takes too long. My computer doesn't have a GPU, so I'm just rendering with my CPU. So just bear with me if it doesn't look as realistic as possible. I'm just working on it. Don't worry. I plan on getting a better computer soon. So, well, I just started off modeling a spaceship, as we all do. Well, actually, I actually have previous experience in a 3D software. I've been playing around with 3D Builder before using Blender, so I kind of understand the 3D environment. That was why I was able to make something more complicated in my first try. So as soon as I opened Blender, all I needed to do was just learn the interface, and then boom, I went to town. Then I discovered the bool tool, and yeah, I started using, booleans, beveling edges, and all that good stuff. And well, at the end of day one, before the end of day one, I actually made a donut at the start of day one, but my computer crashed while trying to use cycles to render. So I decided to just forget about the donut since I already learned the interface. I just went straight on and modeled something else. And then after a while, I got bored and decided to model the spaceship. Then I modeled a car, but wasn't really going that well. I wanted to separate some parts, but I didn't really know how. So I just stuck with it, and yeah, I just finished everything and didn't bother trying to render it. I just made a model. I want to see if, like, when I download Unity, and I want to see if I can use that model of the car as the player car, like for a video game I might work on. And then after that, the next thing I did today, which is day 3 of modeling, was I decided to make a gun. Yeah. So I did a little bit of hard surface modeling, and yeah, I didn't really want to make it too complicated. I just wanted to make it make something simple, like a simple animation. And yeah, that was how I learned Blender in 3 days. I just stuck with it. Don't get discouraged if you don't know what to do. Like, if you don't know how to do something, just search for it. It's not gonna hurt you. Like, just search for something. That's the best advice anyone can give you. Just search for it. You don't have to, like, feel scared that you're gonna be made fun of for not knowing how to join two objects when it's just Control J to join two objects. Yes, it was that simple, but I didn't know how to do it. So I had to search, and I found out. Now you know. Blender isn't really the hardest software out there to learn. Like, for me, I think the hardest thing I could possibly learn right now is programming, even though I've done a little bit of programming myself. Like, but I'm just gonna tell you the truth. Whatever you want to do, it's not a matter of talent. Talent isn't a thing. It's not something that's God given. It's a pursued interest. If you just pursue it enough, you're gonna get good at it. So I hope you enjoyed this short but long form uh 1080 by 1920 aspect ratio video instead of those shorts that I normally post. Well, if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one, hopefully in a few days from now. Yeah. So, well, bye. And wait. Are you gonna click off without subscribing?